Okay, everyone, on this lecture we'll be talking about AWS Cost Explorer specifically. So, AWS Cost Explorer is a powerful tool from Amazon that allows you to visualize, understand, and manage your AWS costs and usage over time. With the ability to analyze historical data up to 13 months and project forecasts for the next 12 months, you gain complete visibility into your cloud investment. The intuitive interface offers fully customizable graphs and reports, making it easy to identify consumption trends and patterns that impact your budget. The best part, access is free with the AWS console with a minimal cost only for queries with API. So the main features, we have granular visualization, detailed daily, monthly per resource, and even hourly analysis for the last 14 days, allowing you to identify exactly where your resources are being consumed. Cost forecasting, machine learning based projections for strategic financial planning and intelligent future budget setting. Custom reports, create personalized reports to quickly identify the services and resources that most impact your monthly costs. Integration with Amazon Q Developer, natural language queries facilitating analysis, allowing you to ask questions about your costs intuitively and get immediate answers. Saving plans optimization, details utilization and coverage reports for saving plans and reserves instances to maximize your investment and savings. And of course, how can you use? You can activate the Cost Explorer directly on your AWS console, analyze the charts so you can explore the visualizations to identify unexpected spending spikes and services that consume most of your budget. Use advanced filters so you can filter by region, service, instance type, etc. And of course, it is really important that you use some outlets based on your budget. And of course, you can maximize savings combining the Cost Explorer insights with saving plans.